So guys, first we need to download Java. So just go to Google and then type in Java and then click on download Java. You want to scroll down. We're going to get the Windows Online installer. It doesn't really matter which one you go with. I'm just going to go with Windows Online. It's now going to start downloading. Once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it and then click on yes. Once this comes up, you want to click on install. It's now going to start installing Java. Wait for this to load. Once that's been installed, we can now resolve this. Once you've installed Java, just go to Google again and then type in Eclipse IDE. You want to go to the Eclipse IDE website, eclipseide.org. Click on this right here and then click on download. Once this comes up, you want to select your operating system. I'm on Windows, I'm going to go 64-bit and then click on download. It's now going to start downloading the Eclipse exe file. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it to open it up. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. You want to choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And then click on install. And then click on accept now. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to launch it. A desktop shortcut should also be created. You can now set your workspace directory. I'm going to make this default as well, and then click on launch. It's going to start it, and we're now on Eclipse IDE.